everyone, welcome to the Hedgehog Hollow. So today I'm going to be showing you how to upcycle either just a plain green wreath or this wreath that I grabbed at Joann's in the 90% off clearance from the Christmas section into a really fun Easter wreath using dollar store glitter eggs. Super simple. So what I do is I have a whole pot here. This is just 2 packets of the glitter eggs from the dollar store, nothing special. So this cost me $2 and I think this wreath was less than $5 in the Joann's clearance out the old Christmas section. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start laying out some of these glittery eggs. I like to lay my wreaths out first, particularly when I'm going to start gluing things on. And I'm going to alternate my colours as I go round. I'm all about a little bit of symmetry and patterns in my wreath. So we'll go green, we'll go blue, back to gold. I just kind of lay them out around the edge first. We've gone gold, we'll go back to pink. And you get tons of these in a pack. So you may need 1 or 2 packs, just depending on the size of your wreath. You could do them in pairs. You're just going to nestle them in there and then we're going to glue them in place. But you can see it's already kind of starting to look nice and festive for spring. And we're just adding some nice pops of colour in. I also managed to pick up some little kind of Hessian carrots, so you can kind of pop those in places too. So we can just pop those in. And again, we'll glue those in place. So I'm just kind of popping them in every few eggs because I don't have very many of them. But they're just going to add a nice springtime touch to our wreath. I'm going to pop one more down at the bottom here. And we're going to nestle that one in here. So you can see how this is starting to come together. Again, so simple to do. And I'm just going to leave that there. We'll have a few left over. We'll use those in our Easter decoration. And now we're going to glue this in place. I like using the AdTech dripless glue gun. So the reason I like this one is, as it says, no drips, and it also has 90% less strings. I did a tutorial and a review on this a while back. You can check that out in the top right hand corner. It genuinely does drip less, has less strings. You do have to do a quick primer of it when you first get it, or if you forget to do it when you first get it, you can do it afterwards. And I like using this Sizzix glue gun mat because it also comes with these tools that protect my finger, and I'm all about protecting my finger from those glue gun burns because trust me, in the past I've had plenty of those. I just pop a few on my fingers as I start crafting now. Also has one of these tools where you can kind of really hold things in place if you need to, and I can rest my mat on my glue gun on here. So I'm going to just start gluing these in place, just add a little bit of hot glue on the back like this, and then I'm going to start gluing these in place and I'm going to work my way all around my wreath. So that is it. So super simple. In less than 5 minutes and for under $10, we have created a gorgeous springtime wreath. I mean, look how cute that is. I added a couple of little extra eggs in there, and then I can add this to my front door. But I've got some little carrots peeking through. I think they're just a super cute little addition in here. You've got some peeking through. And as I say, it is an amazing glue gun too. So it's a no drip and 90% less strings. So yes, I did have a couple of strings. You saw me kind of picking those off. But throughout that whole wreath, this is all I picked off. I kept the strings I had. That's all I just picked off that entire wreath, which I think is awesome. Again, I will link that glue gun and my glue gun little toolkit that I had there in the video description for you. you. But you can also now see my new wreath in situ on its front door. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And I hope you feel inspired to make your own Dollar Tree makeover of your old Christmas wreaths or any kind of springtime green wreath using that Dollar Tree hack and those glitter eggs. Super, super fun. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell here at Hedgehog Hollow. We have daily tips, tricks, tutorials, so many things for you. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial, and also hit that join button. Become a Channel Perks member here at Hedgehog Hollow. So many reasons to join us. First of all, it does help us here at the channel, but also tons of savings for all of your crafty and DIY purchases. Free shipping, 10% off, $5 off purchases, tons and tons of saving, exclusive early access, behind the scenes content, loads and loads of reasons to join. So hit that join button or use the link in the video description, and I will see you again tomorrow. Happy crafting, everyone. Bye.